intro take 2 because I fucked up the first one. I was talking German, but I wanted to speak in English. So we're in a chemical factory right now and going to explore this whole thing. The Fußgänger from Berlin told us about this here, or saw it on Instagram, and they told us how to get here. And now we're gonna explore with a new microphone, so the sound will be awesome. Every challenge we see today is impossible. We gotta find challenges that are not that hard.
And don't forget, comment, subscribe and hit the bell.